Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a custard dessert. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk or heavy cream, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a flavoring like vanilla extract. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key for a delicious, smooth custard. The right milk or cream ensures a wonderfully rich texture. Next, let's focus on mixing and tempering. In a bowl, whisk together about 4 egg yolks and 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture is light yellow and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat 2 cups of milk or cream in a saucepan until it just simmers. Slowly pour the hot liquid into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent the eggs from scrambling. This tempering step is crucial for a smooth custard. Now it's time to cook your custard. For baked custards, pour the mixture into ramekins placed in a water bath, then bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. If cooking on the stovetop, stir continuously over low heat until the custard thickens and coats the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid boiling to maintain a smooth texture. Finally, chilling and serving. Once cooked, let your custard cool to room temperature. Then, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 4 hours. To prevent a skin from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the custard. Serve your delightful creation plain, or enhance it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a light caramel sauce. Enjoy your homemade custard.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.